You may be asking yourself, where do I get started if I want to implement a preventive maintenance program? Or is focusing on preventive maintenance even worth it? Hey, Trent here from Whip Around, where we keep the world's fleets moving. In this video series, we're going to answer those questions. We'll talk about the importance of preventive maintenance, the cost of not having a strategy in place, and how to create a plan to protect your fleet and equipment. This is a 3-part series, so be sure to check out parts 1 and 3, and subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with all of our content regarding fleet management. Let's look at the cost of not having a strategy in place. Taking the time to commit to a preventive maintenance schedule as early as possible is the most effective way to ensure that your equipment keeps running smoothly and less time is spent on unplanned repairs. And as we mentioned in our previous video, preventive maintenance is important not only for vehicles, but for all of the equipment your business depends on, including things like trailers, backup generators, heavy manufacturing equipment, computers, printers, scanners, or other critical office equipment, and any tool used to accomplish daily construction tasks. Your bottom line depends upon getting the most out of every piece of machinery or equipment you have invested in for your business. There's no way around it. Without a preventive maintenance program in place, you'll end up paying more to keep your business running. Here are some of the most common costs that will hit your bottom line without a strategy in place. Number 1, unplanned driver downtime. According to Work Truck, for every day that you have a vehicle down, it could cost between $448 and $760. When your vehicles aren't running, your people can't work. However, in many cases, you may still have to pay your employees. Unplanned downtime can reveal how poorly prepared you are to reprioritize your workload on the fly. But when you schedule preventive maintenance, you can work around your drivers and overall business needs, planning time off or work for them to do during the vehicle's downtime. Not only that, but preventive maintenance usually keeps your vehicles out of commission for a shorter period of time than unplanned vehicle emergencies, since you don't have to diagnose, wait for parts to come in, or potentially transport a stranded vehicle. Number 2, increased repair costs. Regularly scheduled maintenance can help prevent the need for much more costly repairs. Simply taking care of those tasks ahead of time can substantially reduce your overall costs. When the failure to take care of maintenance leads to significant damage to equipment, it can often prove expensive, and sometimes those broken components lead to even greater failures and vehicle damage. Number 3, shortened equipment life. If you're not staying on top of scheduled maintenance, you may end up replacing the equipment more often, which causes significantly higher costs to keep your business running. In fact, you'll also notice that parts like tires wear out faster when vehicles aren't properly maintained, which raises operational costs long term. Number 4, decreased fuel efficiency. Now, all kinds of things go into your fuel efficiency, as you know: tire pressure, clean oil, unclogged intake systems, properly operating air conditioners, efficiently working engine cooling fans, etc. But when your fleet travels thousands of miles each week, even a 1% decrease in fuel efficiency can lead to a substantial increase in fuel costs. And we both know no one wants that. Number 5, increased risk of accidents. Failed components, including engines, transmissions, and tires, can lead to accidents on the road. An accident caused by a lack of maintenance may leave your company responsible for a number of expenses, such as cost of replacing or repairing the vehicle, medical expenses for your driver, legal expenses for any other injured individuals, including their medical expenses, repairs to their vehicles, and their legal fees. In case of significant injury, you may also be liable for paying for pain and suffering, lost wages, and other expenses associated with an accident. Number 6, invalidated vehicle warranties. Warranties protect your investment. If anything happens, it helps to have some insurance that your assets will be covered. Unfortunately, an inability to demonstrate proper care and maintenance of a piece of equipment can void the warranty and put you in a position to cover the expenses yourself. Number 7, inflated driver turnover. No fleet wants to deal with high driver turnover, especially when every business is struggling with a driver shortage. One of the best ways to keep your drivers happy is to give them tools they can trust. They shouldn't be worried about putting themselves or others at risk or ending up broken down on the side of the interstate. Preventive maintenance helps ensure that equipment is in the best state and ensures trust in the organization. So let's review what we've covered in this video. Number 1, without a preventive maintenance program in place, you'll end up paying more to keep your business running. Number 2, there are many common costs you can reduce with an effective fleet preventive maintenance program. And lastly, number 3, your bottom line depends upon getting the most life out of every piece of machinery or equipment you have invested in for your business. Fleet maintenance software like WhipAround can make it easier to schedule preventive maintenance, set up automatic reminders for maintenance, and track and manage work orders. It's clear that preventive maintenance can reduce costs and positively impact your business, but creating a culture that prioritizes preventive maintenance can be a real challenge, especially if it hasn't historically been an organizational strength. On the next video, we cover how to create a preventive fleet maintenance plan. For more information on WhipAround, you can go to whiparound.com. You can also download our 7-step guide to preventive maintenance ebook right now by clicking the link in the description below. And lastly, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos related to fleet management.